Understanding Face Public Scorn. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language: face public scorn. This phrase can be powerful and evocative, and understanding it can add depth to your communication. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Face public scorn is a phrase that combines two main concepts: face and public scorn. Face, in this context, doesn't refer to the front part of the head. Instead, it means to confront or deal with something directly, often something challenging or unpleasant. Public scorn refers to the disapproval or criticism from the general public. Scorn is a strong word that implies contempt or disdain. When put together, to face public scorn means to confront or deal with widespread disapproval or criticism from society. This phrase is often used in scenarios where someone, often a public figure or an organization, is subjected to widespread criticism. It's not just about facing criticism from a few people but facing a wave of negative opinions from the general public. For example, a politician who makes an unpopular decision may face public scorn. This doesn't just mean they're criticized. It means they're facing widespread condemnation from a large group of people, often through media, social media, or public protests. Let's see how face public scorn can be used in sentences. 1. After the scandal, the CEO had to face public scorn, appearing in the media to address the company's mistakes. 2. The artist faced public scorn for their controversial artwork, sparking debates across various social platforms. 3. Despite facing public scorn, the activist continued their work, showing resilience and commitment to their cause. Today, we've unpacked the phrase, face public scorn, and understood its nuances and contexts. It's a powerful phrase that conveys the challenge of confronting widespread criticism. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions they convey. I hope this video helps you grasp this evocative phrase and use it confidently in your conversations. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next English language adventure together.